Welcome back to Douglas's Model Garages videos. And as you can see, we have a honored guest right now, and he decided to leave. So, as you can see, I did something with my hobby room here. I did a temporary fix for my shop cards. And I want to thank everybody that sent me one. Pause on the video to see your shop card. And we have the display of models and models and models and models and models. And we have display of the Hot Wheels. Working on cleaning this up a little bit. And more Hot Wheels. And I don't care what you think. You know who I voted for. So there we go. And I got some pics over here. Got the old hat rack right there. And my truck display and all that good stuff. And to the meat of the video. So I was at Ollie's. I was supposed to go get groceries first, but I ran into Ollie first. And I found a few kits. This is the first one they had there. It's the Cal Drag combo with the Galaxy and the Falcon. So I had to get one of those, of course. And this kit is, for the price, it's like $8 per kit in it. So a $25 kit with 3 kits in it. So, so that's that one. And I found this little unique kit right here, the Sandcat, which is a pretty unique kit. And it comes with a little display. So that looks like a fun build. I might be able to, I don't know, maybe I could put mix it with an airplane or something. One more here. I found this nice cool plane. This is so this is the plane kit I found, and I hope you guys like it. And thanks for watching, guys. All right, bye.